Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your panoramic sunroof in the 2022 Kia K5. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in ebony black. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the buttons for the panoramic sunroof are right up here in the center console in the ceiling. It's like a two-function button depending on how hard you press it. Right now, the shade and the window are completely closed, so if I were to lightly pull the button to the back of the vehicle, then just the shade will open. If I were to pull it again now, then the entire window will start to open. If I were to lightly press it forward, that's one function and it would just close the window. If I lightly press it again forward, the shade will start moving, and at any time you can actually press the button and stop the shade wherever you want. So you can still let some natural light through without having to open a window. If I were to push the button up into the ceiling for a few seconds, it will open the shade about halfway and then tilt the back of the sunroof to let some fresh air in without having to bring everything else in. And again, one hard press to the front, it's now closed the window and fully closed the shade. If the sunroof happens to be open, just even the slightest bit, the car will ping on the instrument panel to remind you that the sunroof is still open so you can make your adjustments. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.